Hi everyone, I'm Bilal.
And I'm Pavan.
In this video, we're going to dive into the Sports Alert feature on our TVs that changes the way you keep up to date with your favourite sports and catch up on any highlights that you might have missed.
We first introduced Sports Alert in our 2020 range, which allowed you to select your favourite team from sports such as football, basketball, baseball and hockey. For the real sports enthusiasts, this meant keeping up with up to 20 different teams in real time by receiving updates as the action unfolds, by notifying you of when the game starts, real-time score updates and the all-important game result.
This year, we have introduced even more sports that you can follow, including the likes of cricket, golf and even more popular leagues from around the world. We're also happy to announce the addition of international teams, allowing you to follow your favourite nation through the International Summer of Sports.
To find Sports Alert on LG's 2021 TV range, pick up your Magic Remote and press the Home button. This will take you to our brand new WebOS 6.0 homepage, where you can find Sports Alert preloaded in the app list. Once you have accessed the Sports Alert app, hit the Add button and proceed to pick your favourite teams. Now in the Sports Alert dashboard, you can view future scheduled games and edit alarms for each team.
One of our favourite personal features this year is the addition of videos related to the selected team or match. This will include highlights, interviews and all the drama leading up to the game.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below who your favourite team is and what other features you would like to hear about. Don't forget to like and subscribe for regular updates and new videos.
If you'd like to know more about the features that come with LG TVs, head over to LG.com where you can speak to our team of specialists over a live chat or a video call.
Thank you.
Take care.